Hey guys, this is Michael, and today, guess what we have today? We have a brand new package. We're gonna be unboxing this. It is from Amazon, and it's a very big package. I don't know if I can put this on the whole screen, but this is a huge package, and we're gonna open this. So if you enjoy this, make sure to subscribe, turn notifications, and give this video a big fat thumbs up, because you know why? I appreciate you. Alright, so let's get on to the unboxing, and yeah, let's get it. So guys, thank you for watching me unbox this awesome keyboard. As you can see, it is amazing. It is pretty small compared to my last one, because as you can see, this right here, I don't know if it fits on the screen, but this right here is my old keyboard. It is kind of broken, so one of my foot fell off, and then one of the keys don't work. So this is the old one, and this is the new one. As you can see, that the new one that's on top is smaller than the old one that's on the bottom. As you can see, I love it. The sound of the keyboard actually sounds amazing compared to this, so a lot more satisfying, and I love it. So definitely be great for typing and a lot of gaming. So if you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe, turn notifications, and give this video a big fat thumbs up right there, because I just got this new keyboard and it's gonna be such a huge W for wins and stuff. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Peace guys.